Hi, thank you for checking out this video. My name is George. In this video, we will look at traffic light LED module. It is a small model or miniature of traffic light. It has 5 pins, namely G for the ground, V for the BCC, and all other 3 pins are control signals for the green LED, yellow LED, and red LED respectively. For this experiment, we will also be needing of the following: an ESP32 development board, a gorillacell ESP32 shield, and a 5-pin DuPont jumper wire. And of course, the traffic light LED module. First, let's attach the ESP32 to the ESP32 shield. Just align the pins on the pin headers and make sure that both USB are on the same side. In my case, it is in the left side. And after you are sure that it is properly aligned, just press gently until it fits nicely on the pin headers. Then, attach the DuPont jumper wires to the traffic light LED module according to the color coding, which is black for the ground, red for the BCC, and yellow and the following colors on the control signals. Then, attach the other side of the DuPont jumper wires to the ESP32 by matching the colors of the DuPont jumper wire to the color coding of the pin headers, which is black to black, red to red, yellow to yellow, and etc. For this experiment, I choose GPIO23, which is the first column in the 5-row pin headers, which is this part. Next, we need to power the ESP32 shield using the external power supply by connecting the USB Type-C cable to the ESP32 shield, like that. And make sure that the switch is slide to on or battery. Another one is connect the ESP32 to computer using a micro USB. Now for the software part, I prepared here a 3 sample source code for this demonstration. Before we begin, let's press the stop button to enable the TonyPython to detect the ESP32. So I will press this one. And when you see that the triple greater than sign is here, it is now safe to start using the TonyPython. Let's select the example number 1 and let's run the current script. So now the current script is running, and using the TonyPython, we can control the individual LEDs of the traffic light module. Let's turn on the yellow by Y.on, or turn it off, Y.off, or we can use the alternative way, which is using the value function. So let's use the green, that value, and supply a value of 1 to turn it on. We can turn it off using 0. Or we can also use the true or false as a value. Let's say for the red, value true. Or we can turn it off using the false value. Okay. So for example number 2, this is a running light example which is exactly similar to our previous example for the LED module. So we basically created a list of LEDs, which are the GYR, or the green, yellow, and red. And from that, we loop on each individual LED and turn it on. When the LED is selected, it will turn on. We will sleep for 300 milliseconds, then we will turn it off before the next LED is turned on or off. So let's run this one. And as you can see, we have created a running light LED through the traffic light. So for example number 3, let's run it first. Before that, we need to press the stop button. Then, click the run button. So it begins at green. Then it blinks before it changes to red. Then it changes to yellow, then green. And it will rotate, just like that. So we begin by importing the pin class from the machine module, then the sleep class from the time module. We created the pins for the green, yellow, and red, which are connected to pin 23, pin 25, and pin 26. And all direction are set to output. Then we created a state machine with values for the solid green, blink the green, solid red, and solid orange. Then we loop through the traffic state, which is this one. So of course it will begin with the solid green. When the current state is solid green, we will turn on the green. We will wait for 6 seconds before turning it off. Then the traffic state will increment. It will be blink green. So if blink green, we will loop through it and we will blink for 3 times. Then, same as in the solid green, we turn on the red LED. Then we sleep. We stay on for 7 seconds before turning it off. Same as for the solid orange. So, that's all for now. I hope you learned something from this. If you have any concern regarding this video, you may leave your message in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and share this to your friends so that it can reach more people who might benefit from this. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when a fresh video like this is uploaded. You might also like to visit my blog post at tech.to.tinker.blogspot.com for more details about this video. Thank you and have a good days ahead. See you in the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.